What's up, y'all? I'm back again with another video. If this is the first time you see my face, make sure you guys go back up and give this video a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Today I'm gonna be doing a collection video, specifically my designer, my luxury slides, sandals, whatever I'm gonna call this video. If you have not seen my luxury bag collection video, I will link it up above. Make sure you guys go check that out. I also have a Juicy Couture collection video. I will leave it up there too, so check them out. I'll check them out if you haven't, because some of like my videos when I came back on YouTube, a lot of you guys have not seen it and stuff, because a lot of you guys didn't know I came back on YouTube. But I have a few collection videos that I did on my channel, so I would try to link them up, and I'll try to put them up, and I would try to put them in the cards as well, so definitely go check them out. Alright, so the first one I'm gonna start off with is Michael Kors. I'm gonna also leave, if I can remember the price, I would tell you the price of these. Some of these they don't sell anymore, so yeah. So this is the first one. These Michael Kors one, beautiful blue ombre going on. This, I have yet to wear this, as you can see. I got this like a few summers ago, but this time I'm gonna try to wear it this summer for sure. I already know like this part is probably gonna hurt my foot. I don't know, we'll see how it is. It doesn't seem too hard, but yeah, I think I got this I think it was like, I will give the range from 50 to 70, around there for these. Because I got it off their site. So yeah, that's that one. The next one would be Kate Spade. Now I don't buy from Kate Spade that much, but Kate Spade do have some cute stuff. Now this one I have worn, so is it these. I actually like this a lot. It goes with one of the Kate Spade, well, the only Kate Spade bag I have, because the other one I'm selling. The Kate Spade bag I have, it goes with it. Similar color to the sandal. I got this from the Kate Spade outlet website, and it is gorgeous. I love it. I believe it was like $80. I think, I'm not 100% sure. That one. The next one be from Marc Jacobs. I didn't even show the box of the Kate Spade. This is the Kate Spade box. So now these Marc Jacobs ones, just right here. I originally was selling these because I felt like they fit me, don't get me wrong, but they just look really big when you put them on. As you can see, they're like big. This part says Jacobs, the other part says Marc on it. These, they came out with the matching bags and wallets for that. I originally did want to get the bag to go with this, but I just never did. But I managed to pick up the slides. The slides were like $250, I think. And it says Marc Jacobs, the Marc Jacobs right there, the slide Marc Jacobs. I would see if I will wear it this summer, because these are like summer slides, even though they like fur on them, because they came out during the summertime when they came out. Next would be Dior. The box got a little dirty from makeup and stuff, so when you, I don't know how my dust bag are doing. When you get anything from Dior, they include a dust bag and some cards, even a bigger card with your receipt and everything like that. I'm gonna pick that up in a minute. Now these I only wear them once. and I'm not gonna lie, I did pay a lot for these. These were one of the slides that were extremely popular during the time I got them. These are $800. They probably more now for them, but at the time I got them, it was that price. So is these right here. It's gorgeous, very pretty, a nice light pink, a pink nude type of color. It don't really look pink on camera, but it's like a pink nude. One thing about this, I will say, I feel like it's definitely not worth the money because of the fact that this is what happens when you walk on it the first time. As I was saying, this is what happens to it when you walk on it the first time. If you walk on concrete with this, it damages the shoe in the bottom. You can get it fixed, but it's just gonna cost you money to get it fixed. So that's one thing I kind of regret buying this. If I had knew that, I probably wouldn't have bought it. And because of that reason, that's why I don't wear it anymore, because I don't want to damage it even more. Like, it's just too pretty to damage, you know? But I don't know. It's one of those heels. It's one of those sandals where if you're in a car, you're not gonna be on your feet the whole time, then it would be good for that. But other than that, no. Next one is a Versace. I don't know why am I so low right now. So these are, and once again, comes with a dust bag. I don't know why it's sitting like this. I did not put it like this in here. These I wore a lot. These are their pool slides. This comes in a variety of different colors. The Dior ones come in different colors as well, not just the pink. This I also wanted it in pink as well, but I'm like, I have to make a decision because these are not cheap. These are $430 for this. So if I do ever buy another one, I would definitely get like either a black and gold or like a pink and gold. I don't know yet, because considering I want to get the robe, and the robe I want is the black and gold robe, so I just might get the black and gold slides just to go with it. But yeah, it's really, really pretty. This is a Medusa head right here. Really pretty artwork. I can't really tell, but it has some artwork here. But I've used this a lot, so this is like one of my go-to summer slides to wear. And like I said, it comes with a dust bag. So the next one is the MCM one. It comes in a black box like this. It says MCM all over it. This one also comes with a dust bag. Now these I've only ever worn one time, because these I got in my size, which is a size, I believe 6.5 is usually when I buy my size. But the way this one is made, it's a bit too tight in front of my toes, and this has cut my toes before, so that's why I stopped wearing it, because I don't want to keep dealing with that. Even the Versace one, for some reason, it did the same thing, which before it never used to do that. So I was just like, okay, what is happening here? But yeah, these I got from Farfetch, because I don't think MCM sell them anymore. Particularly if you don't know what Farfetch is, Farfetch, if you're looking for a particular luxury piece and the store itself doesn't sell it anymore, you can check on Farfetch for it. It is the same thing. It is authentic, I will say. And it does, when you do buy it from Farfetch, it comes from where it's originally made from. So like Versace, if you order Versace stuff from Farfetch, it was going to come from Italy, because Italy is where it's originally made from. So if you're looking for particular designer stuff that the website don't have anymore, check Farfetch. You could check Fashion File. Fashion File is most likely used items. Same thing with, what's the other one that I've used before? There's another one. It just came from my phone. What it is? Because I have a manager for the other one. Because I've sold stuff with them before, but I just can't remember what. I can't remember what it is. I might put it on the screen for you guys because I just can't remember the name. But yeah, Farfetch is a good website to use if you're looking for a particular design piece. A lot of the items, all the items are new. They do have a few pre-owned stuff depending on what you're looking for. But yeah, I do like this. I do wish it would have been a little bit looser over here, but yeah, this was $250 from Farfetch. So yeah. And the last one, at least, is Gucci. I love me some Gucci, y'all. These were my first ever Gucci sandals that I got myself. All of these I got myself, honestly. But they come with their own dust bag too, like one for each pair. I wish the other ones would do that too, instead of like having one. But these are another one of my go-to slides to use in the summertime. I love wearing them in the summer. So here they are. These are like one of the famous ones, a really popular one. I went to the Gucci store. It's I went to the Gucci store itself and got it in person. At the time, I got it for $390. I do know with Gucci they increased the price. I think by $100 or something they increased the price, because I remember one of these things used to be like $650 and it's like it was $800 the last time I saw it. So they increased the price a lot with this stuff. So if you don't get it right away for a cheaper price than what it was, you're gonna be paying a lot more. So I got $390. Now this is like a little bit more for this. So yeah, and it has, what does it say there? So Gucci right there. It has really nothing in the bottom. It just has the G's here. But this is my go-to baby right here. I really like it. I don't regret purchasing this. This one, can't complain about it. It keeps my feet very comfortable. Very good quality. But yeah, and you also get a card thing as well. But yeah, that is everything. I don't know why the hair is looking, the hair lace is looking like really light right now. But yeah, that is everything that I got. I haven't really been buying any new ones. A lot of these I've had for about 2-3 years. Some of these you might have seen in a haul before, or like my birthday vlog. I know for the Gucci one, my 21st birthday, this was a late birthday gift to myself, along with the Versace bag. And the Versace slides, I got that like way after. So yeah, but I do want to get like other ones. I want to get like the Dolce & Gabbana ones. There was just really nice Dolce & Gabbana ones, but the way it's made like the Dior ones, which if you walk on concrete with it, it would scratch it really bad in the bottom, and I kind of don't want to waste money on that. So I would try to like find some that don't do that. So yeah, there's the Dolce & Gabbana ones. I think Christian Louboutin have their own nice sandals. I haven't really looked into Christian Louboutin ones. I know Prada have their own. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not really big with getting designer slides like that, or shoes in general. I mostly buy like the bags and stuff. Rarely do I buy the clothes as much. I have like a few of the clothes, but not that much. But yeah, I do want to get a Louis slide for sure one of these days. A Louis sneaker, Versace sneaker, Gucci sneaker. But I ain't in a rush to get them. I've been too busy focused on buying like new makeup and juicy bags. I haven't really been I haven't really been focusing on buying designer stuff as of late. Even like with Coach stuff, I recently bought a Coach wallet. Like, it's been a long time since I bought a new Coach wallet. Speaking of that, yeah, I used to own a Coach slide as well, but I sold it and I regret it, because the reason why I sold it was mainly because it was too big. I got it in the size I normally get my slides in, but the way they make theirs was too big, and I'm like, there's no point in me keeping it if it's too big. I regret it because it was in my favorite color, blue, as well. So now I have to look for like a nice Coach slide for me to buy again, because I sold the other one. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one y'all like from here. And do you guys own any of designer slides or sandals in your collection, or would you buy any of them? I know a lot of them were very costly and stuff. The ones I can say that are the most affordable are like Michael Kors, Coach, and Kate Spade. But if you want to go for like the more higher end ones, they're up there. Yeah, I also have another Michael Kors one as well. It's a pink slide. Let me actually show that one. Alright, so these are my Michael Kors ones. These are just like the beach type of slide ones, or you just wear it like regular like that. These, I only wear them to the beach with, like, if I'm just going somewhere, I just want to like have my feet comfortable. These are really good for like the beach and stuff to wear. So they're like my beach slide slash regular chill day type of slide. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give the video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the notification if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Oh, almost forgot to tell y'all, the eye look for today is from the ColourPop Pop of Dior's palette. I haven't used this palette in a long time, so I created a look with it today. So yeah, anyways, bye.